Well, good morning. Welcome to your last week of clinicals. There's just some things that you need to remember. So you're going to go to the clinical rotation website. Um, so you should be getting used to this by now. We'll start with you as a student. You'll hit your ESP. You'll hit the ESP skills. You'll put in your name, your CI's name. Uh, Next. Okay. Alright, and you're going to go through each skill. Remember this is you grading, so a 4 or 5 means that you feel completely confident with this and you're good to go. Otherwise, a 3 would be the best number to choose if you feel like there's more things you need to work on. And so then you'll just keep hitting next and you'll go all the way through each skill. So as we go, we'll just keep going here. Skill 3 or 11 is 3 out of 5 required. These are your kind of acute care. If you didn't do acute and this page doesn't apply, just check that. Okay? You'll be good to go there. And you're going to go all the way to the end. Leave comments if you need to. And then when you get to the end, you'll submit this report to your CI. Okay? So this process takes a little bit longer. But this is everything I need for CAPTE to show that you have the skills and that you're efficient to be a graduate and work as a PTA. So just keep trucking through each of these. Skill 25. So you submitted it. You can edit your response if you want. Otherwise, you'll receive an email and then you're just going to forward that to your CI. Okay. Remember, you only have to get checked off on 3 skills. Okay, so I would encourage you to do this by Wednesday. That way you can send it to your CI and then your CI can fill it out. Okay, so for your CI, you're going to want to have them go to the CI1 with the ESP, and then they're going to do the same thing. Okay, so remember, 4 out of 5 is you're good to go. 3 is you got a little bit of work on. If they have a 1 or 2, make sure they give a comment as to why. Okay. So a lot of times once they see yours, it kind of helps facilitate how they're grading. So I would encourage you to do yours within the next couple days and then have your CI complete their ESP. Okay. Otherwise, don't get too worried if you don't get any skills checked off, or if you only get 1 or 2, that's fine. We'll assess everything when you get here, and we'll kind of do a clinical debriefing on the first day you get back. Okay. So just make sure you fill out all of your documents. Remember, you have to fill out the evaluation, and then your CI needs to fill out the student evaluation and the program evaluation. Okay, so make sure you get things checked off and you'll be good to go. Have a good week.